In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logos to all slides in PowerPoint. We'll take your logo file, place it using Slide Master so it appears across your entire deck, and make a few quick adjustments so it looks clean and consistent. Start by opening PowerPoint. If you're using the desktop app, click the PowerPoint icon to launch it. If you're on the web, open PowerPoint in your browser. Next, get your logo ready. Locate your logo wherever it lives, on your website, a shared drive, or your computer. If you're grabbing it from the web, right-click the image and choose Save Image As, then save it to your desktop so it's easy to find. PNG with a transparent background usually looks best against colored slides, but JPEG works too. Now go back to PowerPoint and open the presentation where you want the logo to appear. On the ribbon, click View, then choose Slide Master. This opens the master view on the left, showing the big parent master at the top and all the slide layouts beneath it. Select a slide in the master view. If you want the logo on every slide in your deck, click the topmost parent master. If you only want it on certain layouts, select those specific layout thumbnails instead. With the master or layout selected, go to Insert, choose Pictures, then this device. In the file picker, go to your desktop, select your logo file, and insert it. Your logo will drop onto the slide. Drag a corner handle to resize while keeping the proportions and position it where you want it, commonly the bottom right or bottom left corner. Keep it a comfortable size so it's visible without competing with your content. If it comes in very large, zoom out a bit so you can resize and place it more easily. Use the alignment guides to keep spacing consistent and avoid stretching by only dragging from the corners. You'll see that the logo now appears on the slides that use that master or layout. If you placed it on the parent master, it will show across all layouts in your presentation. If a slide doesn't show the logo, it's likely using a different layout. Select that layout in Slide Master and repeat the insert so everything matches. When you're happy with the placement, click Close Master View to return to normal editing. You won't be able to select the logo on individual slides now, and that's expected. It's locked to the master to keep everything consistent. That's it, your logo is applied across your slides and ready for presenting or sharing.